Firstly, I'd like to say thank you to the customers, because without you, we wouldn't be here, to be very honest. So thank you for coming out. We appreciate you taking your time to come and celebrate with us. I'd also like to say thank you to the senior executive team. So we've got Mr. James Shirley, our MD, is coming out. We've got Farai, our Chief Technical Officer, and we're quite excited. So I checked on Google Maps just for interest to see how long it would take you to come to our West Rand main facility, 51 minutes. What we actually did, we took our customers in the Boksburg area, heat mapped it, and guess what? This is right in the middle of the customers. So we, as a company that wants to be customer obsessed, and our goal is to be customer obsessed, we want to be closer to our customers. We want to make it easier for you. The Segen mission is to decarbonize the world one installation at a time. Now, we can't do that without our customers. So therefore, we want to make it easier for you to operate. We want to make sure that we've got skilled, trained staff on site available to help you. Make sure we've got products. Also train you. We're going to do training upstairs as well for focus group training. Just to introduce, I would call them the key people today. That's going to be your contacts. So we've got Mr. Funnel over here. He's the chief, sorry. Sorry, too many chiefs. He's the technical service advisor, okay? We've got Letitia, she's your sales account manager. We've got David, returns assistant, and we've got Premor, who's the lab technician. So the goal is to make your life as easy as possible. I've been chatting to a few of you, and a few of you have already said to me, man, we are so excited to have this place close. So with that said, and obviously with us being here, we've also got some stock, a little bit of stock as well. We're also open to any suggestions. You're welcome to whatever's going to make it easy for us. We're here to listen to you. Okay. With that said, I'm going to hand over to Farai. He's going to cut, Farai is our Chief Technical. He's going to cut the ribbon and officially open East Rand Segen Service. Yay!
Thank you, Sean, for the wonderful vote of thanks, but especially thank you to all our customers and the team here for making this a reality. It's been quite a journey for us, but as Sean said, we have a commitment to you as our customer. I would like to give you a brief tour as we launch our service center here, just to show you the kind of value add that we're going to bring in. And the value adds are closeness to you, to be able to deliver that personal, intimate, technical support and advice, that close personal service and support through the wonderful team that's here. I thank you all. Thanks. Let's go through for a tour. Here we've set up a service center to allow all equipment that is faulty or you need support on to allow you to bring it in. I think those who've dealt with us previously at DB Schenker, there were challenges there. You had to sign in your liver, your heart, your kidney, every other body part to access that facility. Now we are more accessible to you, meaning that you can come in here and interact with either David, or Fanuel or Premo in regards to your day-to-day needs from a technical perspective. We've got a fully set up technical lab that enables us to support fully our full portfolio of products and offering. Over and above that is that we have deployed a technical support advisor to provide in-depth training and in-depth design support, such that if you have a specific need, I was actually chatting to one of you here. If before you deploy, you can come through to us, engage with Funnel, do all the commissioning prior to going out to site, and all you need to do is to mount equipment on the wall, and it makes it clean and easy. Because we have a commitment to you, you have a commitment to your end customers, but the full value chain, we are all committed together. And that's what we want to build. We not only want to build this here in this service center, but we've got a broader vision to roll out in Pretoria. We're going to be setting up a facility soon in Bombela and in Nelspruit. So no matter where you are in South Africa, where you are in Africa, we'll be able to service and support you. And that's through the technical lab that we'll have here that will support you. I just want to call Premo so you can see him again, because he'll be the guy who'll be heading up here and ensuring. Premo, you can lift up your hand over there, and Fano over there for service and support. Over and above the fixing and repairing or handling of warranty challenges, what we don't want is handling a warranty, but that comes through from knowledge and knowledge sharing. Us who have got the necessary experience, who can share the knowledge from Dimitri, from Isaac, from Alfred, or from Cleo, share that knowledge with you, the different experiences that you go through during the process of installation. We've got a training facility upstairs that will deliver the necessary content to you and that necessary shared knowledge. This is designed for small groups, so you don't need to be full embarrassed to ask a question, what would that other guy think about me? You can ask your question in a comfortable space. I invite you to take a tour upstairs, take a look at the facility that's there, where Fano was sitting in the back there, already engaging in regards to technical issues, will be delivering that in-depth technical training to you. Myself and the whole team at large, the technical team, and Segen as well, we are responsible for ensuring that your solution works, right? I'm going to hand over to Jacqueline, who helps you make that solution come together.
And close the deal.
Close the deal,
Yeah.
Jacqueline.
Hi, thank you so much for everyone coming today. I know everyone is busy. It is really a privilege for us to have you here at our service center. And like everyone has said, this really is to make your life a lot easier. So at Segen, we don't just do service centers and we don't just do products. I wanted to quickly tell you about a new service that some of you might have seen it on the social platforms, but something else that we are offering you as the installer to help you close that deal. Because if you are successful, we will be successful. So we have launched the Segen finance option that you can offer to your end user. So there's a normal asset finance and the rental option. I'm going to explain the rental option to you quickly, short version. My business cards are there at the back. I've handed out some. If you need more information, please reach out to me. But the real advantage around the rental option for you as an installer and for your end user is when you sign up a customer to do the rental option, the advantage for that customer, because it's not a rent to own, he can deduct his payment for that rental from tax. So it's going to save him money either way. Apart from the fact that he's going to bring down his electricity and he's going to have a secure supply of electricity, the premium or the payment that he makes every month can be deducted from tax. It also doesn't sit on his balance sheet as an expense or a loan that he needs to pay off. So it doesn't affect his credit ratings with all these different facilities. What it means for you, and the great thing that it brings to you, is for the first 5 years of the rental option, the end user will pay the bank through us. But after those 5 years, we give that rental option or that rental contract over to you, and you earn that annuity income for as long as you want. So it helps you with long-term revenue generation. That is only available to end users in the commercial sector. So if it is a business that you are doing the installation for, if it is a person running a business from his house also. So it's not dependent just on the size, it is dependent on whether the end user is a business. We also offer finance, normal asset finance, which works the normal way. It's money, the end user borrows money and he pays it off over 5 years, and there you go. The system is theirs. When you do the rental option, you can choose how long you want to have the rental option with your customer after the first 5 years. You can decide, right, you want to give it to him, or you want to sell it to him in 5 years' time, or you want to have it forever. It's a really great opportunity for you to ensure that you, every month, when you open the month on the 1st, you've got money in the bank from that rental option. Obviously, you need to maintain it. You need to take those things into consideration. You need to think about redundancy, replacing batteries, etc. But it's a really nice way for you to help grow your bottom line every month through the rental option. So that's a really short summary. There's obviously a lot more information and a lot more advantages to it, which we will share with you. So you are more than welcome to give me a ring or email me. We can send you all the documentation. Please sign up, it's free. Send your documentation through, let me send it through the bank, let me get you registered, and then when you get an end user that is interested in the rental option, it makes the process a lot quicker. So I hope this will help. We are all going to prosper through this, and I wish you all the best of luck, and I'm sure this is going to be a game changer for all of us. Thank you very much.